Ever dream of that perfect escape? Sunsets on a foreign beach, exploring ancient ruins, or maybe indulging in delicious street food on a bustling market corner. Travel broadens our horizons and creates memories that last a lifetime. But planning a trip can be daunting, especially when it comes to managing your finances abroad. Fumbling with cash exchange rates, worrying about hidden fees, and the constant stress of keeping track of multiple cards, it can take the fun out of the adventure. Introducing YouTrip. That's where YouTrip comes in. It's a revolutionary travel card designed specifically for globetrotters like you. Forget the hassle of traditional travel money. YouTrip offers a convenient, secure, and budget-friendly way to explore the world. Who can apply for YouTrip? But before you pack your bags and book that flight, you might be wondering, am I eligible for a YouTrip card? The answer is simple. YouTrip is open to almost everyone. Here's the breakdown. Residents of Singapore, you must be at least 16 years old. Foreigners residing in Singapore, you must hold a valid work visa, employment pass, S-Pass, or work permit, with a minimum validity period of 3 months from the date of application. Highlighting benefits. Being a YouTrip user unlocks a world of travel-friendly benefits. Here are just a few. Competitive exchange rates. Get the best possible rates on your foreign currency transactions, avoiding hidden fees and saving you money. Zero transaction fees. Spend with confidence. YouTrip charges no transaction fees for overseas purchases. Global network. Use your YouTrip card at millions of MasterCard merchants worldwide, from charming local shops to major international brands. Top up on the go. Conveniently top up your YouTrip card via your smartphone app using bank transfers or other connected accounts. Real-time tracking. Stay in control of your spending with real-time transaction notifications and budgeting tools. Call to action. So, are you ready to ditch the travel money woes and experience the world with ease? Head over to the YouTrip website or download the app today. Join the YouTrip community and unlock a world of worry-free travel adventures. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.